Sorry. Multiplication, division is not started. Observe here. Observe here. So I write the program. Okay. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. See, when I give the by zero exception, what will happen? Sum is okay printed. Exception of division, what happens? Multiplication and subtraction, okay, is not executing because of, see, there is no error in the multiplication division, even though if you give 0 by 0 exception, okay, some a into b, it's not an error, it will give the 0. A minus b, it will give the a value, it's not giving any error. But only error in the division, because of division, rest of the code is not executed. Not only that, for example, write any other statements also. System dot out dot println, okay, rest of the code. Right now, I want to print these all multiplications, subtract, rest of it. I have to apply the exception handling. Here we have to try which code might accept it, okay? Error that will be put into the, we can call it a suspicious code, okay? Suspicious code we have to put into the, okay, try block. Next. So try is to try to identify the exception, okay? It cannot handle. Who will handle? Catch will handle. Catch. Exception. EX. Okay. System dot out dot println. Okay. EX. That means now it will throw the exception and maintain the normal flow of the execution. Observe clearly. This is about the try catch block. What happens? Oh. Now see. 56, 0. The exception came, but to throw that exception, handle exception, rest of the code also executed. Understand? Yes. Parag, Akul, Vaishnavi. So very, very important topic. This is okay. Exception came, but handled. Okay. Through the okay exception, maintain the normal flow of the execution. This is called exception handling. So I have 100 number of lines of code also. If I have one error in the 5th line or 6th line, the rest of code will not execute. It's help of okay exception handling. Only through that line, rest of the code will be executed. Clear? Understand, Parag? Akul?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So this is about the
Okay.
try catch blocks. Right. Next. Next, multiple catch blocks. Multiple catch blocks. And now see. Here I have two exceptions. One is, okay, arithmetic exception. Second one is R index of boundary. Okay. Now I'm running the catch block. Catch exception EX. Some dot or dot print. Okay. Here I can apply the exception is arithmetic exception. Arithmetic exception. Okay. Right. Catch two. R index out of boundary. Okay. Exception EX. From the out dot print. Catch. If at all any other exception is there, we will use this is the general exception class. See, here I have two exceptions, but one exception will come, other exception will not come, will not show actually. Okay. First we say which exception will come. So always execute 35-0. That's why arithmetic exception will come. Now just check it. Run as Java application. Click on OK. Okay. Java dot lang dot arithmetic exceptions. 1 minute. I'll bring the charger. Right. Now see, if I rectified this, if I don't have this exception, now it will give the array index out of bounds exception because 0 to 4 only it has okay indexes, but I gave the 5. Now see, second exception. If first exception is not there, then only to go for the second exception. Now see Java dot lang dot okay array index out of bound exception 5. Okay. Understand, right?
Yes, sir.
See, now I have this code. Okay, it will give the okay number format exception. Actually, I did not apply the okay catch block for that. Now, other than these two, arithmetic or other index out of other than these two, it will go to the okay general catch block. Okay, general catch block will execute. Now see, now run as Java application. Click on OK. Now what will give? Java dot. Okay, I see. I did not Apply this. Now I don't have exception in the array also. Now it will give the number format exception. Now general exception class will execute here. Java lang number format exception for input string ABC. Understand? Right? This is the way we can apply the different exceptions in the catch block. That means we have to give the more than one catch block at a time. Clear, right?
Yes.
Number format exception. Now, if even I apply the number format, then I have to give the try catch. Always we have to give the general class exception, because other than we applied, okay, exceptions will not execute. This exception will execute. Clear, right? This is about the, okay, this is about the exception, try catch block and try, okay, multiple catch blocks. Clear, right? Parag, Akul?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, we'll see final, okay. See, nested try blocks also there. Nested try blocks I will explain when you go for the IO concepts. Then only you can understand. Okay. Finally, this is also you can understand when you go for the IO only, but just I will explain, okay, what is the final. See, final block is a block that always executes. It's mainly used to perform the simple tasks such as a closing connections and stream. So that means stream means we have to close the what we can call file input stream reader, output stream reader. Okay, we have those are streams. Okay, provide the streams. If I want to close those, we can use a stream. Okay, right? So I'll show you that when I. Okay, now see. Next, finally, block 2 is a block that is always okay executed. It mainly used to perform the okay some important tasks such as a closing connections and stream. And now see program code. Execution occurred, no S. Exception handle, no S. Finally execute. Finally always execute. Finally always execute. Before terminating the program, okay, JVM executes the finally block if any. Finally must be followed by the try or catch block. Okay, try or catch block. Okay. Final block can be used to put the cleanup code such as a closing, okay, closing file and closing the connection. So clearly you can understand when you go for the IO concept. Just I will explain. Just I will apply how the final will execute as of now. Run as Java application. Click on OK. Now see, exception came, finally executed. Finally executed. Exception came, finally executed. For example, if I don't have exception, exception come or not, handle or not, finally always execute. Now, if I don't have exception here, I don't have exception. So in this case also, finally executed. Exception comes or not, handle or not, okay? Right? Finally, always execute. But this is not main aim of the finally. Okay, finally is used to close the connections and close the streams, okay? If not, close. If not, close, right? So when you go for the IO concepts, you can understand clearly. Next to throw and throws. Next, throw and throws. Okay. See, throw and throws I'll explain tomorrow. Parag. Some internet issues there is always dropping the session. Okay. Right. Tomorrow we'll discuss the throws and we'll go for the IO concepts also tomorrow. Okay, right? By next weekend,
Yes.
the core concepts, then I'll go for the advanced level. Okay. And
Okay.
database connectivity, those all we'll discuss later. Okay. Right. Next
Sir,
week.
and sir, the recording that you sent us,
Yes. Tomorrow I will share.
the recording
Tomorrow
requires
after the tomorrow
access.
class, I will share all the records. Okay.
No, no,
So
no,
that,
no, no, sir. I mean, is the one you sent us yesterday, or that requires access from to be granted from your end. It is all Google files. So when I try to open it, it says access request to be sent. So I
see,
send a request.
asking access.
Yeah, it says you have to ask for access
So
request.
I will check it today. Okay. I will check it today. Okay. Right.
Okay, sir.
Right.